select. Laser scanners are giving us alignment within 0.5 millimeter. You can see the layers stacking in real time.
Looks clean, resin flow is stable, no bubbles.
Right. The arm will finish this pass and then switch to the leading edge layup.
When the cure cycle starts, we want thermals even across the span.
Already
Bolts aligned. Go ahead and start threading it.
Copy. Feeding it in now. Smooth.
Grease fittings primed. Locking the cotter.
Torque spec wants 90 foot-pounds. Red and green.
Just about. There it goes. Solid.
All right. Visual check looks clean. No seepage.
Let's call hydraulics for a pressure test.
Good work.
All clear. Tag lines are tight and the limit switches are good. Once it's on the jig, we'll lock out the crane and start the torque check.
Perfect. Remember, we keep the access ladders clear. Flash shields up when the riveters start.
Got it. Safety before speed. I'll brief the team again.
Clamp's good. How's the screen fit?
Sliding in now, lined up, and locked.
Perfect. It should boot in 3 seconds. Power on.
There's the logo. Nice.
Routing harness Bravo through this channel. See? Then the clamp here. Color code matches the schematics.
Got it. Tag scan and green light.
Diagnostics all clear on my end.
Excellent. Arc is steady. You're holding at 15 millimeters per second.
Copy that. Bead spread looks uniform on the thermal map.
Beautiful bead forming on the port side. Let's keep it consistent through the rib.
Right arm's coming around the tie-in. Watch the edge.
Got it. Seems clean. No inclusions.
That's a good fuse. We'll cool it and scan.
Blade coming in.
East to 2 degrees starboard.
Keep that root vertical. Good. Hold.
Interface target aligned. Bring it down 5 centimeters.
Lowering. 3, 2, seating.
Torque to 51 kilonewton meters.
Copy. Holding steady at 51. Lock nut secure.
Spin test initiated.
Stand clear.
Line B, wing spot coming through center aisle. Clear the path.
Copy that. Guiding it in now. Crane 2 moving south.
Rebel card 6 is at your left. Watch the turn.
Wing spark cleared. You're free to roll the fuselage section forward.
Understood. Bringing it to station 3. Keep the pace steady, team.
Sunrise looks good on the roof. Let's finish strong.
Pressure curve is stable at 28 bar. Temperature tracking nominal.
Copy. Fiber resin transition right on schedule. I'm seeing uniform heat across the span.
I'll load the soak profile. Give me a count when you're ready to close.
Go ahead, sensors are green.
Closing hatch in 3, 2, 1.
Seal achieved. Cycle initiated.
Lowering 6 inches, nice and easy.
Copy, you're clear on the port side.
Starboard's good. Keep coming.
2 more inches. Stop.
Holding.
Brackets aligned. Bring it down the last bit.
Coming down.
Seated. Loads off the strap.
Confirmed. Tank locked in.
Good work, everyone. Moving to torque and check.
Copy that. Strap coming up.
Seam alignments holding at 3 microns. UV cure looks uniform.
Copy that. I'm seeing torque rise on arm 8, rotating the model. All ribs are engaging evenly.
Good. Adhesive temperature spike here.
Brief, but within spec. Nanosensors say bond density is at 98% and climbing.
Green light in 3, 2. There it is.
Go. Keep it coming down slow. Holding angle. Touching rope. Good. From down here. A little left. There you go. Driving in. Seats lined up. Hands going in. Good job, team. Hold the reins right there.
Every layer you see here, from the inner liner to the steel belts, is built to handle a 400-ton landing.
It's wild how much goes in before it even looks like a tire.
Yeah, once it's on the drum, we stitch it smooth, then it heads for the press.
And that's where the tread gets baked in.
Exactly. 20 minutes under 200 degrees.